Forensic science area, 15% personal identification technique, 20 items, 6 from the other methods of personal identification, DNA, forensic odontology, Henry FBI classification formula and filing system of classified fingerprint cards. 6 from the principles of fingerprint identification, fingerprint characteristics and patterns. 6 from the taking and recording of friction skin, live and post-mortem, latent print detection methods and latent print preservation techniques. 2 from the ACE-V methodology in processing latent prints. In forensic photography composed of 20 items, 6 from the general principles of photography, types of flash photography and properties, nature and characteristics of light. 8 from the principles of exposure triangle and the procedures of crime scene and evidence photography. 6 from the functions of the basic parts of digital and manual analog cameras and types of lenses. Forensic chemistry and toxicology. It has 8 items. 2 from the principles and significance of forensic chemistry and toxicology, including the legal aspects of forensic chemistry. 2 from the reliable preliminary and confirmatory tests in the examination of biological, physical, and trace evidence. 2 from the procedure in the collection and preservation of biological evidence, blood, hair, semen, physical evidence, drugs, fibers, glass, tool marks. 2 from the biological and chemical poisons and its types, including its antidotes. Questioned documents. It composed 16 items. 5 from the kinds of documents and questioned documents, equipment and apparatus used in questioned document examination. 9 from the process of forgery detection, handwriting examination and signature identification. 2 from the procedures in counterfeit identification. Lie detection techniques have 14 items. 4 from the methods of detecting deception and factors affecting accuracy of polygraph examination. 8 from the phases of polygraph examination, components of polygraph, chart markings, and rules in chart interpretation. 2 from test questions in polygraph examination, relevant, irrelevant, and control. Forensic ballistic having 20 items. 6 from the instruments used to examine ballistic evidence, crime scene processing of ballistic evidence, and presentation of ballistic evidence in court. 10 from the branches of ballistics, classification of firearms, parts of the ammunition, and class and individual characteristics of firearms. 4 from the proper collection, marking and preservation of firearms, fired bullets, and fired cartridge cases. Additional forensic report. Writing. It has 2 items only, 1 from forensic report for court presentation, 1 from safety procedures in the laboratory.
Mamimili ako ng bibigyan ko ng 1,000 piso sa mga magsusubscribe sa akin kapag umabot ako ng 1K subscribers.